With the complete set of dedicated tools available in Revit, structural engineers can model steel connections based on their requirements. We can easily modify structural framing and column elements using specific edit tools and apply custom parametric cuts to better accommodate the geometry of elements at a connection. We can now place steel components like plates, bolts, anchors, shear studs, and welds in the 3D model to connect structural members together. With these features, you gain greater flexibility in modeling simple and complex steel connections in the Revit environment. Having a more accurately defined design model in Revit also enables a better interoperability with advanced steel for steel fabrication.